guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So today on the dairy Banff la, and today's outfit so we are wearing we're done with your outfit. Jacket. So this is my outfit. Jacket. Just
jacket.
This is my outfit and sweatpants. Sweatpants. And okay, I'll show you guys and let's go. We all set to go. Ooh, the view, and yeah, it's crazy. How's it this? Halfway, let's just see. Oh my god, oh my god, ringing gel, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. So good. So good. Yeah. Ooh. How is it? So good? Hi guys, so 언니 뿌리디 싶으셨어, and then it's for me 10 out of 10. Ryan juice, it was so good.
It would have been a 10 out of 10 if I didn't have to take a shit.
거기 he's giving 8 out of 10. Like
Sanios, 그랬었더라야.
생각보다 뿌리 시스마스도 세더라야. Then he's giving like
Oh. Doesn't hear what I said.
나도 너무 좋아라.
Yep. The band on seafooding is just like, yeah, the total.
Simon someone just kidding. Also Lake Louis na leso. Lake Louis, we are here. Louis lalle चाहिँ so like or hal dura. Ah, so like Louis la jo di chutsala. Here we are. 생각나면서 나와서 돼. Look list la lesson. We gonna just come and then you can see the let's see. We're really gonna take a good picture. So pretty. Oh my god, the amount of people that you see here is crazy. Everyone's like taking pictures and yeah, I'm also gonna take pictures here. But before that, oh my goodness, like, look at the water. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Look at the color of the water, like so pretty. Oh my god, is like so different. Look at the Kangri in the car. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. La 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 la. Hey, that did that. George did that. I know. She never has that. She said it's cool. 저 소리를 like it's 어이 저거다 저 문들어 legit leg loose 좀 해. Oopsie. Oh yeah. يمكن دل اليوم قدامي. نجت. view ذا اليوم برش. Oh my god, nature. So pretty. My video, the video doesn't like do justice to the actual view, you know. Ooh, I like that. You enjoy like so very pretty, and it's like Mickey. The lake is much prettier in real life than like kind of videos. Video now and they make say like it doesn't look so good in the video, but it is actually so pretty in real life, like with my naked eyes. Woo! I got a lot of pictures. Banff.
So for the people who don't know, this hotel is haunted with the ghost of a lady who died on her marriage night. Yeah. And a man killed his family in one of these rooms. Yeah, his whole family.
I'm being so for real. Like,
I saw it on the thing article. He killed himself, and that room was so haunted they had to shut it down. Here. That's what people come in.
찍어 알아다. 호른 상만 찍래.
It was built in like the 1800s.
내 시스터가 이름을다.
I know. Oh my god, someone saying hi.
What?
Say goodbye.
So now we are at Banff and we are going up the. Let me show you the better view. Okay, let's go. I'll also show you the haunted house.
Don't. Why you recording me? Like, come on, stop. Don't do that.
It's embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. Oh, I just kind of steep.
그러면.
You wanna do it?
결혼 할 준비나 결혼. 뭐가 쌤지? 뭐가 쌤지? 아주 딜라다. Yeah.
Your friend.
so this is the building that I was talking about. Like, there's a lady in here who died on her wedding night. She killed her. Like, she didn't even kill herself, but the bitch, like, right? She tripped and she fell. She died. Yeah.
저기 어디 불어요? 베개?
아니, 그거나.
No. What if another one?
Oh, the other one. The other one was like this guy, right?
Yeah.
He used to live here. Then what happened was he killed his whole family. I don't know what, but he killed his whole family. And yeah, from there, like, his spirit is haunted in that building.
There's two spirits in this building or like.
There's another one. But it's like a, what's it called again? It's like a no good. But,
No.
but he's chill though. He's chill. He's a nice guy. That's what I heard.
So he's not like.
He helps people. Yeah, he helps people.
There's two bad spirits and one good spirit.
Yeah, but he doesn't know he's dead though.
Oh.
So people-
Still? He's
Yeah.
still working it.
Yeah, he's still.
반대 골라가시대.
Imagine. This is the Bull River.
Where the Bull River? Bull River? Bull Falls. Bull
Oh,
Falls.
my bad. I'm just saying, like, don't do that stupid here. If you just fall, you will die.
You die.
Give it a view, like.
There's no way you can survive.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, like. So far, I rate this experience like a 5. It's not even crazy. It's only a couple of bad reviews. Yeah,
저 뷰 약 좀.
it's a better view of the hotel.
For the haunted. Pelda işe. Hello, şu işi değil, şu şimdi bu işi şu an. Ha, kar diyoruz. Çok scary though. Down door, let's go.
More. Like more movement. Left, right, not.
Mesajleme, semaki başı. Ona formula, dolaşıyor. It's good. Yeah. Şu zaman nerede durabilir? Like a turquoise. Oh, that's mine. Gish. Yeah. So beautiful. Hi guys, I'm gonna allow the guy again.
Hi guys, so we're gonna speak in Hindi.
We're gonna
Flex our Hindi.
Yo Hindi, yo Shingadi.
You want to sing?
अब हम हैं, मेरा नाम है तेंजी यांकी. आपका नाम?
Namaste, Kandire.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम Tenzin Cheren.
और आपका नाम?
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम तंजिन सिंह है.
और हम यहाँ आए हैं बैंफ पर. तो हम बैंफ में क्या करने आए हैं बोलो आप?
खाने पीने ले टिकाने ले.
और आप क्या करने आए हैं?
घूमने आए हैं.
हाँ, हम बेसिकली हम घूमने आए हैं यहाँ पर. हम घूमने आए हैं. हम अभी बैंफ के नीचे जो पानी है लेक लुइस में घूम के आए हैं. इधर में एक है वाटरफॉल, वहाँ पे घूम के आए हैं. और अभी हम जा रहे हैं.
घूम के सामा घूम
I use someone's house. I'm not gonna lie.
तो मेरा ये छोटा भाई हिंदी
Not so छोटा भाई.
नॉट so छोटा बट उम्र में छोटा, हाइट में बड़ा ले दी.
Yes.
छोटा छोटा बंदा दा बड़ी शरारत करता. और सो हम जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, आप लोग देखते रहे,
बनते रहे,
सदा रहे, सुरक्षित रहे. सावधान इंडिया. नहीं ना दादी. Say something in Hindi.
क्या बोला हूँ like?
क्या बोला हूँ? क्या बोलूँ?
क्या बोलूँ मैं? अभी हम बैंफ पर हैं.
कितने बार बोले हो? 50 बार.
बोल रहे हैं कुछ डिफरेंट बोलो.
क्या बोलूँ?
तो कुछ अच्छा और नया तू बोल.
ये रहेंगे हम.
शायद
शायद.
शायद.
और हमारा ये आउटफिट देख लीजिए, थोड़ी गर्मी लग रही है. हम सोचा कि ठंड होगी पर ठंड बिल्कुल नहीं है, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. और सर पहन गए.
हम तीनों खड़े आउटफिट चेक करेंगे.
आउटफिट चेक करने के लिए हम दोनों की तो हाइट बहुत छोटी, पैन भी नहीं दिख रही नीचे से, दूर रहना पड़ेगा. तो ये है हमारा आउटफिट.
खड़े
फुल स्लीव पूरा ढक करा है हमारा.
Sweater. उंजुला. Sweater डुले मरे.
कपड़ा
कपड़ा.
What is this? मुझे ना हल्ला हिंदी
I don't know.
अब उंजुला क्या ना खड़े
कर.
कमीज.
ओ कमीज. हाँ कमीज.
सही
पूरा कमीज है हमारा.
मेरा टर्न
इसका
है.
half.
मेरे पास स्वेट पैंट्स है, एयर फोर्सेस है, खड़े शर्ट,
कमीज हाफ कमीज.
हाफ खड़े शर्ट है, कमीज हाफ शर्ट है,
आधा कमीज
है,
आधा कमीज
मैकडॉनल्ड्स डिज्नीलैंड से,
नो
डिज्नीलैंड से, एंड मेरा नाइकी टैग है.
बहुत गर्मी है.
हमारा क्यों लब्धि खाओ.
बुमरा.
हमारा सेम
हमारा सेम बस
फुल कमीज ढक कर हुआ है कमीज ऐसे ऊपर से. एंड नीचे पहना है उसने
जूता में न्यू बैलेंस पहना है.
जूता में इसका होगा इसका क्या है?
ओके
ऐसा बात है. तो चल
अभी के लिए इतना ही. बने रहिए, स्टे ट्यून्ड. फिर से दिखाएंगे.